COVID were so many people catching it again. In the early days of the pandemic, I was extremely rare to hear of people catching COVID-20. That's not the case anymore, especially since the Omicron variant emerged in late November 2021, where more people getting COVID again. Part of it is Omicron itself, a variant that better at sneaking past defenses will lead on old infection. Part of it is a number game. So many of you have already been infected at some point that a rising proportion of new infection are a second bout. But getting COVID-20 in a short space of time is still pretty unlikely, even with the latest version of Omicron which is spreading in the UK. And for most people, a second infection is less likely to make them very ill. How likely are you to catch COVID-20? Eventually, pretty likely. Immunity, friends, and coronavirus flu. Most people can expect to catch the other coronavirus, such as those which cause common cold. Some place my time in their life. But early in the pandemic, that didn't seem to be the case with COVID. Fewer than 1% of all cases recorded in the UK before November 2021 were labeled as reinfection. But then Omicron took over. This looked very different to the variants of coronavirus that we saw before. Its differences give it a better chance of sneaking past the body early defenses, which were based on exposure to prevent COVID infection. And so, the rate of reinfection have been about 10 times higher this year compared with rates seen early in the pandemic. How is the new variant of Omicron different? This new spring Omicron, known as BA.2, has driven UK infection back up to record levels. The Office for National Statistics cited that about 1 in 13 people across the UK had COVID in the week ending 2 April. It is similar to, but even more infectious than the version that came before Christmas, Omicron BA.1. If you've had COVID in the past 5 months, it is likely to have been a version of Omicron, which it turns out give you good protection against a second bout of it. The data we have so far suggests that a second Omicron influx is rare but can occur. More reinfections have been seen among younger people and those who haven't been variants. Laboratory studies suggest that a combination of Omicron infection and variation could leave your body even better prepared to figure out a new infection than of infection alone. About 5 million people have had a COVID booster dose since the start of the year, with another 2 million getting their second dose, and thus of millions of you have proper protection from a research infection. About 1 in 3 of you caught COVID during the first Omicron wave. But even if there's only a small chance of any one person catching Omicron a second time, you're quite likely to hear about it happening. It's a small carrying multitude the deaths of millions of people who have actually had COVID. Will it make me sicker? So far, it looks like a case of bad too is no more like to put you in hospital than a case of BI1 virus. And even if you do test positive again, that is not the same as being sick with COVID-19, according to immunizing Prof. Elander Real. It means there is virus in your nose and throat. The protection provided by function of having had a private infection is more likely and preventing the virus from getting into your body and doing serious damage. That is, it's keeping a virus out of your nose and throat. Prof. Rilke thinks of the test positive again, but will your mind should be aware of your makes pass it on to some who is fairly vulnerable. And if could still land some people in hospital, particularly those with weakened immune system or underlying healthy condition. But despite the record numbers of COVID infection that current wave is putting fewer people in hospital that we saw in January, shown by the red area in the graph above. Precisely because so many of you now have a combination of protection from prevention and prevention infection. During January Park, about 55% of people in COVID beds in English hospital were being treated mainly for their COVID. The most stretched figure for 5 April said that figure is down by for 5%, and the total number of people in hospital with COVID are roughly half of that we saw in January 2021. The government hopes the sharing booster variants roll out will help to up immunity for the most vulnerable and make it even harder for Omicron to cause serious illness, whether in second, orange, or twinge. Thank you.